फिल्म की शूटिंग हो रही है यहाँ पर और ये लोग एक सीक्वेंस कर रहे हैं जिसमें ये लोग दिखाना चाह रहे हैं कि कैसे फाइट होती है टाइगर और भग्गू की। तो वो देखिए आप लाइव।
लड़ा लड़ा तुम। If you're writing a true film and not a star delivery vehicle, you know that your smallest of character is as important as your most, the hero roles or the heroine roles or whatever it is, so called. I was looking for a Dr. Ahmedi who's sexy, who's charismatic, and who is a tremendous actor, and who is not known to the Hindi film audience. There had to be a mystery and an enigma about Dr. Ahmedi as he steps into the film.
पिछली बार तुम्हारी यूनियन की मीटिंग की थी मैंने जहाँ वो मैरिज हॉल,
वो भारत नगर पुलिस चौक। अरे मोर्चे वालों का बेडरूम है वो।
वही तो हगना है हमें। He is a socialist. He himself is a professor. He doesn't stay in this state, but this man is a person. Whenever he comes, he can win the heart of any common people.
He knows the world, he knows people, he knows how to manipulate them, or he knows how to lead them. He knows how to take them through dangers and go for a quest. This kind of a mixture of experience, wisdom, and bravery needs a seasoned approach.
His presence, हाँ उसका जो हंसी, smile and his presence, and he has his own style, very undertone, very relaxed, but he has something. This is one of the finest character I have done till today.
देरी के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ। बाहर मौसम खराब है, ओले पड़ रहे हैं।
I actually went up to a very special actor who has been actually one of the most effortless performers on the screen for some time, and who recently, for reasons of his own, has become very choosy.
It's the role of a corrupt bureaucrat. Now, firstly, I have not done a bureaucrat before, and secondly, I've never done a corrupt bureaucrat. So there were two attractions apart from the director.
He and Abhay were almost like a couple in this film, a character, a duo, who represented the Indian bureaucracy, the power centers of India, the administrative service of India, and who represented the dream called Shanghai.
सर वो डॉक्टर अहमदी लैंड कर रहे हैं। भारत नगर की जमीन के इशू को फिर से भड़काएगा, आईबीपी को गालियां देगा। यहाँ का कलेक्टर मेरा जूनियर है आईआईटी से, भाषण कैंसिल करवा रहा था।
ये अहमदी नहीं तुम्हारा वो हवारा डैम प्रोजेक्ट बिल्कुल बंद करवा दिया था ना? आती हो तुम, इंसल्ट नहीं भूलते। They can't do without each other, they can't live happily with each other. Both of them are, peas of a pod, because both of them are in the same game and in the same profession. But this guy is the older crook, and he knows more and believes that he knows even more when he's dealing with his subordinate, which is Abhay Saab's character. At the same time, Abhay Saab also learns through a bitter experience or two that you better buckle up. That this guy is going to walk all over you.
To see Farooq Sheikh deadly cold, ruthless, and absolutely powerful is something else.
He believes, like most bureaucrats I think believe, is that survival is the norm of the game.
जूनियर अपनी गलती मानने को तैयार है ना, भुगतने को भी तैयार है। उसी को सूदी पे चढ़ा दो, बकरा बनाओ, हलवा लाओ।
Young man, really in love with life. In fact, if he was your friend, he would probably be a very loyal friend. Bhaggu is unfortunately the cannon fodder that our politicians love to use to get their will to be executed.
Just got a call you have to come for the look test. Next day that they offered the role. Hey, you're doing it.
Actors go through a lot of emotions during their careers.
मैं बॉम्बे में जब भी था एक आध फिल्म की थी तभी उनकी लव सिक्स धोखा जो फिल्म है उसकी कास्टिंग वास्टिंग चल रहा था. I tried a lot to meet him. Not happened that time.
I saw in Pitubash something that was close to suppressed rage. A film like this is kind of looking into the psyche of somebody who you will look as the average lumpen gunda element on the road. But actually, Gunda or lumpenness is something that you give as a label to that person. To himself, he's the king of the universe. I have watched Anand Jog in Marathi theatre, and I have also seen him in the usual cliched films. But when I spoke to Anand Jog ji about this role, and when he read the script, I was scared because Jaggu hardly has any dialogues.
When I received a call that I am supposed to go and give the audition for Shanghai, I said, okay, I went, I gave the audition. Again, he called me for the audition. He took my audition. He said, you will have to do the workshop. I said, what is workshop? बोले नहीं वो सभी करते हैं. मैंने कहा नहीं मुझे औरों से कुछ करना नहीं, मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ. तो मैंने कहा यार, I was a bit reluctant to do workshop. But I tell you, when I did that workshop, especially with Atul Monge and Shinjini, I found, yes, it is must.
There is a scene where Jaggu and Bhaggu go together to ask for the truck that belongs to Jaggu from important political official. Bhaggu is going on talking about it, but Jaggu, with his wisdom and his age and knowledge about life, the hard facts of life, has understood that his truck is probably as good as lost, and you can see it in his face. One day he did one of these mute scenes and he came out and he looked at me with genuine happiness in his eyes, and he said, Dibakar, it's such a pleasure to do a scene without dialogues.